clearing the slate, carving out the path for a modern oasis. The wild terrain is tamed, sculpted into perfect geometric terraces, pouring the foundations of absolute luxury. A dark canvas is prepared. Millions of hand-selected black basalt tiles arrive. Millions of hand-selected black basalt tiles arrive. The first stone is laid, establishing a perfect concentric rhythm. A hypnotic pattern ripples outward, climbing the walls, wrapping the space in pure basalt, connecting the terraces with seamless stone pathways, washing away the dust of construction to reveal the deep black luster. Minimalist brass accents add a touch of refined elegance. The stage is set, a geometric masterpiece carved in stone. Then, the sudden, dramatic flood of steaming, vibrant turquoise water. From a muddy quarry to a hypnotic, geometric luxury sanctuary. On this desolate Icelandic cliff, a forgotten relic of industry prepares for a complete rebirth. Before transformation begins, we must anchor the structure deep into the ancient volcanic bedrock. Decades of rust and decay are stripped away, exposing the raw, durable steel core. We carve open the steel shell, framing a gateway to the wild Icelandic elements. Heavy structural steel reinforcement ensures the cabin will withstand the violent Arctic gales. An impenetrable thermal barrier is installed, sealing the interior against freezing sub-zero temperatures. A specialized matte black polymer coating is applied, shielding the metal from corrosive sea salt. Massive triple-glazed structural glass panels arrive, engineered to withstand the brutal winds. Installed with millimeter precision, these walls will frame our view of the abyss. Inside, a natural sanctuary begins to take shape, framed in fragrant red cedar. Tiered cedar benches are crafted, designed for ultimate relaxation, suspended over the ocean. At the heart of the sanctuary, a high-performance stone heater is integrated. Smart controls and hidden amber lighting create a deeply soothing, sensory atmosphere. A minimal glass deck is constructed at the entrance, suspended over the freezing abyss. As water meets volcanic stone, the first steam rises, turning the cold steel shell into a living sanctuary, reborn from rust, suspended over the edge of the world. The ultimate thermal sanctuary.